Ingenico iCT 220 US. With a new software version, a download is always required to your credit card machine. That's when we need your help, as we need someone to physically punch a series of buttons on your terminal to initiate the update. Before initiating the download, you should always remember to close the batch on your terminal, as downloading your device might erase transaction information from your terminal. First, you need to close the batch on your terminal. From the main screen, press 7. The terminal will prompt Close Batch and Deposit Funds. Select Yes. The terminal will display the totals. Select Accept. The terminal will connect. Once settled, the terminal will prompt Print Reports. Select Yes to print a summary report, or No to bypass this step. Press the green OK button to return to the main screen. The batch is now closed, so it's safe to initiate the download. Please note that your terminal needs an active IP connection in order to be able to download successfully. From the terminal idle screen, press pound. Press 4 for maintenance. Press 2 for ingestate. Press 1 for setup. Scroll down using the arrow buttons and select IP ETH for IP connection. For SSL-PKI v3, select Yes and press the green Enter button. Select TADU_SSL and press the green Enter button. Select Domain Name. You can also select IP address. If you do, please make sure the IP address displayed reads 209.154.100.063. Make sure the domain name reads download.tsysaccuyring.net. If the domain name is not correct, please erase it using the yellow correction key and enter download.tsysaccuyring.net. The keys on your terminal act like a keyboard on an old cell phone. For example, to get letter O, press button number 6 2 times, and so on. Use the pound key to get a dot. Once the correct domain name is entered, press the green Enter button. Here, make sure the port number displayed shows 32605. If not, use the yellow correction button to erase the incorrect value and enter a new port number, 32605, and press the green Enter button. The terminal will now display a V number associated with your merchant account. Make sure it's correct and press the green Enter button. In Protect Download, select Off and press the green Enter button. The terminal will prompt Print Param Receipt. Press the red Cancel button. From here, press 2 for Ingestate. Press 2 for Start Download. The terminal will start the download and reboot once it's done. You're good to go.